Okay,
Bye-bye.
I want to show you guys the cheap mount camera for helicopter. No expensive, you just have to make a little road on the front of the canop. You can see the camera into there. Okay, inside the canop it's just a little piece of metal, one screws. It's lighter, very lighter. It's no heavy. The camera is lighter too. You can see it's simple. You need have a velcro in here, velcro inside. You can see that it's very cheap. It's just one canop you need, nothing more. Come in here, put in there, put your finger here, press the camera where to go. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I try many ways, under the helicopter, on the top, but vibration is very a lot. Here I find the best place. No vibration. The movie is the video is perfect. Okay, I know I'm sorry for the English. I don't speak a very good English, but I think you guys can understand. Simple way for make a mount for the mini camera for make a video with your helicopter. This Sky, but I have a V400 G02 Alcantara. Okay, bye.